Hello and welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Here we have some other corgi toys, corgi juniors. We have two Land Rovers. They are pretty much the same thing, just one is a record truck and one is a cross service. They look alright, they don't look too bad. Screens, they are there, they're good. Just this one here in the corner has a crack, but otherwise not too bad. The beacon on top on this one is a bit more used, but again it's still there, not too bad. And the hooks missing on both of them, but yeah, I'll do this both of them in once. It's no point to make a separate video for one and then for another one. They are the same model, so just one is gonna be red and one blue. So yeah, guys, sorry about that. I will open them, strip them, paint them, put it back, and I'll come back to you guys with the final results. So you will see what we did with it. A little bit of details we're gonna do on it. So yeah. So bye for now, guys. See you later. Hello and welcome back to our final product on our Land Rover. Here we go, both of them. Same model, just different color, and I did play a little bit with them. I made them a little bit different on the details, like this one, the red one has the chrome on the grill, and the blue one has the black. Sorry about that. And black bumper, and the red one chrome. Onto the sides as well, we did re-chrome the wheels, did a bit of chrome onto the sides as well. Inside we did manage to make a hook on both of them. The red on the same, just different with the black inside. Yeah, pretty much the same thing, not big difference, just on the details they are a little bit different. As you can see here, more chrome onto the blue one. This one just the lines are chromed, but yeah, same thing. As I said, not much, not big, no big deal, just a little bit playing with the details. Hooks are working, there you go, they do work. Nothing else, guys, what to tell you. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. If you do, you know the drill, give us a thumbs up. Come back for more videos. As I always said, more videos will come. We have plenty of little cars to play with, to do them. So yeah, more videos will come, guys. Pop in, have a look. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if is anything in the comments you want to know something. I'm more than happy to answer to you guys. So yeah, I just like to thank you to all of my subscribers, all of my old ones, which they stay with me, they keep staying with me. New ones which they come, thank you very much. If they want to come, stay safe guys, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.